Hey y'all, we gonna revisit this fried rice thing. We just gonna make some plain fried rice today though. Still St. Louis style though, y'all. Now, first thing I want to make clear, because I didn't make this clear in the first video, you gotta start off with good rice. Your rice has to be cooked properly. Now, if you don't know how to cook rice, comment down below and I'll show you how to cook it right. But your rice has to be cooked properly in order for this method to work, or any fried rice method to work. The rice has to be right first. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Let's get it. Alright, the first thing we need to do is get our wok very hot and then add our sesame oil. Now be careful with this sesame oil, it's a strong flavor, y'all. And don't forget, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. Yeah, so now let's come in with our veg. This is simply onions and bell pepper that I've diced up. Hey, all we gonna do is get these cooked up real quick, sauteed to the texture that you want. Now I'm gonna have mine, you know, what they call that, a little kiss of the dragon, so they gonna be scorched a little bit. But hey, if you want yours cooked a little bit softer, hey, do that. Once our veg get done, let's get them on out this wok. Now, the reason that we had to cook this separately is because our stoves don't get as hot as they do in the restaurant. So you gotta cook it separately, y'all. Don't try to cook it all at one time. It's not gonna come out right. Once we get our veg out, we're gonna add a little bit more sesame oil. Roll that around a little bit. We're gonna add our egg. Now hey, when you cook your egg almost to how you like your egg. If you like your egg soft, make it a little bit more softer than what you usually would do. If you like your egg hard, again, make it a little bit more softer than what you actually wanted. Because when it go back in the wok, it's gonna get cooked some more, y'all. Think about these things, y'all. Think about these things. Alright, let's get our egg on out. Get into that bowl. And hey, again, gonna add a little bit more sesame oil. Now we come in with that main ingredient, that rice. Now look here. Like I say, the rice is the most important part. Now, this is day-old rice. Always use day-old rice. Comes out better, y'all. Fresh rice, it still be cooking sometimes. Hey, it'll come out mushy, and you don't want that. You want good rice. So once we get our rice in, all this goes quick. Let's get our veg and our egg back in. Get that mixed up right quick. Then let's add our sweet soy sauce, y'all. Now I told you once before, the sweet soy sauce is different from regular soy sauce. This is thicker. Now we adding about 2 tablespoons of this, and this is 2 cups of rice. And we adding about 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of the oyster sauce, depending on how salty you like your rice. Add more if you want it more salty. Let's get that a good mix. Get those flavors combined and start liking each other. And then we coming in with our regular soy sauce. Now once we get our soy sauce in, let's get that a good mix. And hey, we pretty much done, y'all. We just heating up our rice now. As soon as our rice get hot, let's move that over to the side. And hey, we good now. So check it out. See how you see them individual grains of rice? That's what I'm talking about. Tasty, y'all. Tasty. But anyway, let's go ahead and make our plate, because I'm hungry. And hey, I hope you try this, because this is good, y'all. This is good. Look at them grains, y'all. Look at them grains. Yeah, what's up, y'all? Hey, got our fried rice done. We got our fried rice. Looking good, y'all. Look at that rice. Look at them grains. See, that's what I'm talking about. You got to start off with good rice in the first place. We got our fried chicken that I brined in some pickle juice, y'all. Hey, if you want to know that recipe, holler at your boy. Leave a comment down below. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, keep it grilling. Oh, my bad. See ya.